Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please stop and take a moment to join my online crafting community. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and that little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. For today's project, I have created these easy, elegant card boxes. A few weeks ago, I shared with you my twist and pop card as well as my shaker card, and both of the cards were fairly dimensional. Following the video, I received messages from my subscribers asking me to do a video on how to create a dimensional card box. So I am granting your wish. In today's video, I'm going to show you two different types of card boxes. One will be a pizza box and the other will be a gift box. In front of you, I have two different card boxes. However, I've made a total of four, and I will review each of them with you one by one. This is the first card box that I created, but before I review this in further detail, let me show you the paper that I use. You all have seen me use this in a number of projects. I absolutely love it. It is the Prima Dulce collection by Frank Garcia. This is available at ASC Craft Supplies. If you're shopping on ASC Craft Supplies, please be sure to use my discount code Robyn10. I created this box for a card that measures 5.5 by 5.5. To make the base of the box, I used 80-pound cardstock, and I de-stressed the edges here, as you can see, with one of my favorite Tim Holtz inks, which is Victorian Velvet. On the front, I've layered this with designer paper, and I wanted to add a bit of whimsy to this, so I used my set of stitched heart dies, and I created a large center heart, and then I took the heart shape that was the next size down, and I layered that together to create this little border that I have here in the pink glitter. And behind it, I've created this fun shaker element. On the top here, I used ephemera from the Dulce collection. We have this adorable little heart. These are all flowers from the Dulce collection. I did enhance these flowers. I used my Spectrum Noir glitter paint. Let me show you that. This is the Spectrum Noir Sparkle Glitter Ink in clear, and you get 1 full ounce. I used to use the Spectrum Noir pens, but you get so much more. This is what it looks like inside. You want to make sure that you shake it up really well. And I use my Spectrum Noir glitter pen when they're empty to apply the ink. I've created this double layer bow, and I have another video that shows you how I made this. We have these adorable little Chanel stems. Here we have a beautiful laser cut butterfly from Rene Bouquets. In the center we have more of the Dulce ephemera. It says Aries Dulce. We have another beautiful butterfly here and more flowers. Now this box is a pizza box, and let me show you the sides of it. I've used my little hole punch here to create a little thumb notch, and this has a 3/4 inch spine. This is the back. I've used designer cardstock on the front of the lid, and on the bottom I've just used some light pink tissue paper, and here is the shaker card. This is the second box that I created. This measures 6.25 by 6.25. Now the main difference between this box and the box that I showed you previously is that this has a full 1-inch spine. Now I needed that because this card is quite dimensional, and I'll show you that in a moment. On the front, I've lined the perimeter of the box with this beautiful pearl detail. In the back, I used a die to create this heart doily. Let me show you that die. This is by Spellbinders, and it's called Heart Circles. Layered on top of this heart circle, I have this beautiful Anna Griffin rosette. Let me show you the die set. This is from Anna Griffin. It's called Rosette Cut and Embossed Dies. To finish off the rosette, I die cut this beautiful teacup with roses on it, and then I finished it with this thin satin pink ribbon, more of this pearl trim, and then flowers from the Dulce collection. On the inside, we have this beautiful paper, and inside I have a very thick and dimensional card. This is the twist and pop card that I showed you in a previous video. This is the third box that I created. This is a 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 box, and it has the 3/4 inch spine. On the top here, you can see the beautiful seam binding that I have with this beautiful pearl rose. I have Chanel stems here in light pink and the iridescent white on either side. More of the Dulce flowers. We have tiny little butterflies here from Renee Bouquets. This Best Wishes sentiment is a Crafter's Companion sentiment die. Another Renee Bouquets butterfly hiding in the background. More of the Dulce flowers, and this large flower in the center I made, and I will show you in another video how to make this. Beautiful seam binding. I've added this beautiful tulle with pom-pom trim that I had in my stash. I think that is so pretty and feminine. And then I added in another layer of bead trim just to finish it off. And then on the bottom here, I did layer a few pieces of the ephemera, and there's a little space here to write the person's name that this is going to. On the inside, I have decorative paper on the top, and I have these beautiful handmade bows. The last box that I've created is also 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. This box is not a pizza box like the other 3 boxes that I've shown you. However, it is a gift box. On the front, I created this beautiful tulle rosette. I have a beautiful heart rosette, more of the Chanel stems, flowers, and then we have this cute little cupcake and the sentiment that says "You are magic." And I finished it off with this beautiful little double ribbon and a gem from the Say It in Crystals, also from the Prima collection. To further enhance this, I've used this beautiful mint green ruffled trim, and I've lined that with a bead of pearls in the center, and this goes all the way around. And this belly band is held together with a magnetic closure, and you open it up like so. As you can see, it's lined on the inside, and this top comes off, and inside I just have it lined with this beautiful paper. And inside I've created these adorable little embellishments. These are what I'm calling petticoat embellishments. I've created this on my Cricut, and I have another video that shows you how to make these. So as you can see, these boxes can be used not only to hold your lovely cards, but to include fun gifts. This concludes my review of my elegant boxes for layered cards. Please be sure to join me tomorrow where we will make 2 different boxes. One will be the pizza box and the other will be the gift box with the belly band. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.